Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Today, we're going to learn about amazing construction vehicles. There's a big truck, an excavator, a bulldozer, and many more. Let's see how they help build roads, buildings, and bridges. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started.
Okay.
But before that, support us by subscribe, and share. Okay, let's go!
Yahoo!
Number 1.
This is backhoe.
Backhoe is a big machine with two tools. In the front, it has a large bucket to push dirt, and in the back, it has a long arm like a hand to dig. Backhoes are very strong and often used on construction sites to dig holes or move rocks. Number 2.
This is road roller.
Road roller is a big machine used to make the road flat and smooth. With its heavy wheels, the road roller presses the ground or asphalt so the road becomes strong and easy for vehicles to drive on. Number 3.
This is tracked excavator.
Tracked excavator is a powerful machine with big tracks instead of wheels. It uses a long arm and a bucket to dig, lift, and move heavy soil, rocks, or sand on construction sites. Number 4.
This is drilling rigs.
Wow, so cool big machine. Drilling rig is used to make deep holes in the ground. With its strong drill, a drilling rig can find water, oil, or gas under the earth. This machine works hard, like a hero underground. Number 5.
This is grader.
Wow, so amazing! It's like a giant road sweeper at the construction site. Yes, this grader is big machine has a long blade to make the ground flat and smooth. Number 6.
This is hammer excavator.
Hammer excavator like a giant breaker machine. With its big hammer, it can break rocks and concrete easily. Wow, it's super strong. Number 7.
This is rigid dump trucks.
Wow, it's so big, it looks like a giant truck on the construction site. That's right, this is a rigid dump truck. It's super big and strong, made to carry heavy rocks and soil. Number 8.
This is crawler dozers.
Crawler dozer, a construction vehicle with its big blade in front, it can push soil, sand, and rocks easily. Wow, it's like a strong bulldozer crawling on tracks. Number 9.
This is hydraulic mining shovel.
Wow, it's super powerful, like a giant digging machine. Hydraulic mining shovel is big machine with its huge bucket. It can scoop tons of soil and rocks. Number 10.
This is crane truck.
Amazing! It's like a strong helper reaching for the sky. Yes, this is a crane truck. With its tall arm, it can lift heavy things high up. Number 11.
This is mixer truck.
Oh my god, it's like a giant mixing machine on wheels. Mixer truck, its big drum spins around to mix cement and water, making concrete for strong buildings. Number 12.
This is articulated dump truck.
Wow, it's like a giant truck made for adventures. Yes, that's right, it is articulated dump truck. With its bendy body, it can move easily on rough roads while carrying heavy loads. Number 13.
This is crane.
Cranes help build big buildings and bridges. It has a long arm that can lift heavy things high up in the sky. They are super strong and very helpful. Number 14.
This is bobcat.
Bobcat is a small but mighty machine. Bobcats can dig, lift, and carry dirt or rocks. Even though it's not big, it's very strong and super helpful on construction sites. Number 15.
This is manhauler.
Manhauler is a special vehicle that carries workers deep underground, like in mines. The manhauler keeps everyone safe and helps them travel where big machines can't go. Number 16.
This is track asphalt paver.
Track asphalt paver lays smooth, black asphalt on the road. This machine helps make new streets and highways so cars and trucks can drive safely. It's like painting the road, but with asphalt. Number 17.
This is dump truck.
The dump truck is big and strong, with a giant bed on the back. The dump truck carries sand, rocks, and dirt, then tips it out with a big boom. Number 18.
This is tow truck.
Tow trucks are like heroes on the road. When a car breaks down, the tow truck comes to help. It can lift or pull the car and take it to a safe place. Number 19.
This is forklift.
Forklift it has two strong forks in the front that can lift and carry heavy boxes. Forklifts work in warehouses and factories, helping move things up and down. Number 20.
This is front loader.
Front loader. It has a giant bucket in the front. The front loader can scoop up sand, dirt, or rocks and move them to another place. It's super strong and helps build roads, houses, and playgrounds. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun adventures. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye.